We are going to be doing an unboxing today. There's my cat Abby. She'll be joining us for this vlog. We're starting out with a package from New Jersey. So I think it came from Depop. I bought stuff from Depop and eBay. Yay! And they come with cat hair on them already, which I'm not pissed off about. It's just a comment because clearly they're already gonna get cat hair on them. But I've had my eye on these pants from Disturbia for a long time. And I found them on Depop secondhand. So I'm very excited to try them on. We'll do a try on later on. Your love hurts. Your love hurts. Now we have this one, which also feels like something from Depop. But I don't know because what I bought was fabric. So it's gonna feel very similar from outside of the bag. Yeah, so these ones are for my boyfriend. Hey, no. He's excited. But he wanted some tiger stripe camo. They're in very nice condition, so I'm gonna have to make sure to leave reviews for these. I plan to do a closet clean out later this month because I just don't feel like any of them fit me anymore, whether it's literally or figuratively. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This sender sent a very cute cat card. I don't even know if they liked cats so much that they have them or if they genuinely knew that I like cats. And it comes with stickers, so there's some flower stickers, a cute little mushroom, a Lisa Frank dog that looks like mine. What the? I'm mind blown. A Spider-Man and a Hello Kitty. What? Hold on. It's like, do you know me? Do you know me? Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate this. This one's from a sender named Amanda. And I think... Let's see. Hold on. He's cute, huh? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, and this is a skirt that I bought that I thought would be really cute for layering. This is kind of longer and it has this really cute edging on the bottom. We like it? We like it. Smells a little bit like perfume, but it's okay. It's a nice perfume. I like it. Got another one. I have a lot of recycling to do after this. And this is a vintage outfit I got. They said it was around the 80s. I'll believe them, whatever. And it's really cute. It has, oh, I thought it was a two-piece, but it's actually a dress, which makes things so much more convenient. And it has this kind of like vest sewn onto it. And then on the back, it's got this cute bow. I plan to do a photo shoot in this, so I'm really excited. And I'm gonna try this on as soon as possible. Oh my gosh, the material feels so nice. Okay, this is gonna be one of my favorites. You stay away. Stay away from it. This one is a box, so I'm gonna have to set that aside until I get a knife. So I'm assuming that one's probably fabric. But I bought fabric square scraps from eBay because I wanted to, there's quilting. And I could have used my own scraps, but all of my projects are so different in color that I was having a difficult time kind of piecing things together. So yeah, this is some of my fabric. It's a variety of different green prints. So I got a few fabrics in this bundle from this seller on eBay, and it comes with this really cute, and ooh, I love this. I love cows. And this cute floral, and it has little ladybugs and acorns on it, and cute stuff. You like that one, huh? Okay, we'll have to make you a ladybug outfit. These are some gorgeous, but I found some safety scissors which will work because I have a baby around. Get a cat, they said. They will leave you alone, they said. Cats don't greet you at the door, they said. Cats aren't clingy, they said. I'm sorry, Abby, this isn't a haul for you yet, but we'll do one for you soon, okay? That'll be a good video. But there are so many different colors of green that you genuinely don't know. What's up, Abby? Okay, hold on. Let's adjust. Let's adjust. Okay. So we got these shades. They are similar, a little off, but I think for what I'm going for, it's gonna work perfectly. Oh my gosh, and this is gonna work perfectly. So on this one, I got this cute sunflower pattern. And yeah, just putting that side by side is working. It is working. Plaid. Got this cute lilac purple. Super cute floral plaid, but it's gonna go perfect. Ah, and there's this one. You like this one? This is another Abby favorite. And this super cute green sunflower. So ever since I was playing Animal Crossing in 2020, the lily of the valley became one of my favorite flowers, and coincidentally, there is some of that in this pack. 4 plaids, which I'm gonna have a lot of fun with. These, I think those are also lilies. So the flowers more and more, but look at how pretty these are. And for the kind of projects I wink at this type of idea. But I'm very excited because it has a vase, and that vase just looks so beautiful, and it's all monotone purple. Okay. I'm very excited for the new clothes that I got. It's going to fit into my newer style. I also am very excited to start some craft projects and sewing projects with the new scrap fabric that I got from eBay. Thank you guys so much for watching me open those, and I'm gonna clean up some more stuff around here so I could get crafting. See you later. How am I supposed to get up?